I am Sharon Tanui. I did an undergraduate course in building construction. I'm currently working for Synergetic Energy Partners as a construction project manager. I knew I wanted to do something in the field of construction when I was pretty much young, probably in my early primary classes. Because I realized when teachers would ask us, what do you want to be? All the guys wanted to be either doctors, pilots, engineers, or whatever, and girls were kind of steering away from that. So I felt like whatever they're saying they're going to do, I can do it too. So I was kind of motivated by the population of women who wanted to be being less. So like I want to be one of the few that are going to do that. I was in a class of 24 students, and in that class we were only 2 ladies. So yeah, we were very less. Experience in school, initially it wasn't bad. We were invited by the ladies who were in the school that we were in, probably 5 ladies who would like orient us and bring us to this thing. It was not bad considering the time that we'd start. Like, I would not compare this to early 2000s when you had like close to no women in engineering. It was a mixture of both. Like, we had times when you would really enjoy what you're doing, you're happy, and you're convinced on what you've decided you're going to do. And sometimes you're kind of like, why didn't I just pick an easier lane? Because doing an engineering course is so engaging, so you miss out on the social life, you miss out on a lot of the stuff that people really enjoy in campus. So that is the part that probably I would say I didn't enjoy as much in campus, but other than that, I didn't have a major problem. Let me give an example. When we were done with campus and we were rolling out our application, I would always be looked at twice. Nobody would believe that you're really willing to get down and dirty to do the construction stuff. So they would give you something like, be my BA, be my this, but then that's not really what you want. You have more knowledge than that. So that was a major challenge. And I remember somebody telling me that he has a job, but the only problem is because I'm a lady. Yeah, I think many women should be keen on trying to venture into this side of the industry. From the ladies I've interacted with, I see a lot of knowledge, I see a lot of passion. There's a lot that ladies put in this to the world. I would say ladies are more keen to detail. There's more need in having ladies in the engineering industry. So I think that having more of them in this field would be a plus. It would be a good thing to have more women here. Now, what I would advise myself is more or less what I had been advised by my parents growing up. Don't listen to what other people have to say about what your choices are going to be. You must defy all odds. You're better than you think you are, and you're smarter than you think you are. And there is future for you. Like, just stick on your lane. Like, there is light at the end of the tunnel. Yeah.